Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First we need to set a hotkey to take a screenshot. So let's press and hold the menu button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Scroll through the menu, find the system option, and once you select it, press the GPS button. Then scroll through the menu, find the hotkey option or hotkeys, select it and press GPS. Here, find the hotkey you want to use to take a screenshot, basically combination of keys. For example, let's say I want to take a screenshot by pressing the back button and the up button, two buttons together. So select the hotkey, press the GPS button, then scroll through the list of functions and find the screenshot function. Once you find it, select it and then press the GPS button. As you can see now, the back button and up button have the screenshot assigned, and we can take a screenshot by pressing and holding the combination of keys we selected. As you can see, it says screenshot taken. And once you take your screenshots, you can access them by plugging the watch to the computer with the charging cable provided with your watch. And once you plug it to the computer, you can open the Garmin folder on your computer, and there you should see the screenshot folder, and you can see your screenshots in there. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.